You want your stocking? Here. Look. You want your stocking, Cohen? You want your stocking? Is that what you want? Okay, look. Here. Here's your stocking. What'd you find? Is it candy? What else did you get in your stocking? What else is in there? Oh, more candy.
Things in my life are a little bit complicated, and even if you were saying I can promise you, you wouldn't for one minute.
What else is in there? Look. Look, there's more in there. What's all that stuff? Look at all that. Is it a lion? Did you see the lollipop?
I'm going to try to see that as a compliment.
You should. Absolutely.
I think this one's your favorite. Look. That one should be your favorite. No? Okay.
Utter honesty. Very refreshing.
Coey, look at Mommy.
You probably won't
Coey.
get it from me because even if you
Cohen, look at Mommy.
the classic male
Cohen.
no follows me.
Cohen. Cohen.